Oh, Antoine the Great.
You already know me on Antoine the Great. You know, he in the hood. He really from the hood. Really in the street.
Son. Good man.
What year is this? 2001.
13.
Wow. Dodge.
Yep.
It's perfect.
This one is good one. We clean him up some little bit. He come with the car. We spend no money.
Baking soda.
I thought you was looking for this.
Baking soda.
I use Dove. I said Dove. Dawn.
No, but
Gas. Grill shit.
Like it did it?
Yes. He's good mechanic. He's good one.
Yeah. Sometimes he's good.
Except for when he fucked Tony Bumper up, huh?
Yeah.
What?
This is how we do overseas.
With the water?
We use the water in the street like this.
We never do this in overseas. Justin did it.
Just him.
بالأردن